Hello, welcome to day 18 of our 30 days hair growth challenge. I feel like we started this just yesterday and this is already day 18. If you're new here, this challenge is all about using rosemary and clove water on your hair to make it grow longer and healthier. If you look at my previous videos, you will see that I did a length check on day 1 just to see where my hair was at when I was starting. I did another length check on day 7. I started with 38 centimeters. By day 7, by God's grace, I had 39 centimeters. By day 14, by the grace of God, I had 40 centimeters, and the next length check is coming up on day 21. So please subscribe so that you will receive notifications when I post the length check of day 21, of course, so that you can see how it's going. So the recipe is quite easy. It's rosemary and cloves. You can check out my previous videos. The recipe is on my channel with all the details and everything. When you've made your rosemary and cloves water, you can put it in a spray bottle and you just spray it like this. You spray it twice per day. When you're done spraying, you massage it just like this into your scalp. Insist on edges and zones where there is shedding of hair. And that's basically what you have to do every single day for 30 days. And you also have to do a length check. You can do a length check on the 30th day if you prefer, like you do a length check on the 1 and on the 30. But as for me, I prefer seeing how it goes every week. So I prefer doing a length check every 7 days. And if you like natural hair recipes like this one, you can check out my book, Starting Your Natural Hair Journey from Scratch, in which I share natural hair recipes which are not damaging to your hair. And I share information on how to transition from relaxed to natural hair in case you want to transition from relaxed to natural hair, or if you're already a natural hair girly, I also share information on how to care for your natural hair in that book, so you can grab a copy just to read through it and learn new things on how to take care of your beautiful and amazing hair. So I hope by now I've convinced you to join our 30 days hair growth challenge, and if that is the case, please write in the comment section, I'm joining you for the challenge. And I'm so excited for you because I know you're going to experience hair growth with this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed what you watched, please support my channel by subscribing. So please click on the subscribe button and please like and share and comment on how it's going for you ever since you started the challenge. If you've already started it, do not forget to subscribe. As I say, thank you so much and bye bye.